Business owners and entrepreneurs, what I really love about B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop, is that the content that you create in the workshop, because this is a real workshop. This is not a webinar disguised as a workshop. This is a workshop. We workshop you through creating stories that will bring awareness to your brand and customers to your business. B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop, is where you are going to create a year's worth of content. You are going to create a year's worth of content. Yes, you walk away with deliverables. The experts at Path to Connections, okay? Connecting your story to your success. We are going to help you build the foundation for those amazing successful stories. So as your business changes, scales, and grows, you can continue to lay the bricks to build that amazing story of your amazing empire. But what we also equip and empower you with is a system and a strategy that will allow you to turn that content into a lifetime's worth of content with our amazing repurpose tips, systems, and strategies. So I don't know what you are waiting for. We have Black Friday coming up. If you're watching the replay and Black Friday has come and gone, something else is coming up. Something else is coming up where you need to get your product story out there, where you need to get your service story out there so that people know why you are the boss of your industry. So B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop. I need you to visit www.path2connections.com. Check out the B.O.S.S Workshop, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop, and then I need you to register. We do have a cohort every other month. Or at least we try to have a cohort every other month, but in those cohorts, we only work with 6 entrepreneurs and business owners at one time. Why? Because you are not coming in there with some cookie cutter template to build upon. What's going to make you stand out about that? If we give everybody this same cookie cutter template and story to create, then everybody sounds alike. Nothing there is going to make you stand out. We customize your story based onto your personal journey, your business brand story. We work you through that. So get over the fears and the challenges about storytelling. Quit telling yourself, oh, I'm not a writer. I can't write great content. I need a copywriter. Okay, maybe you do need a copywriter, but maybe it's just not in your budget right now. Even if you are working with a copywriter, what helps a copywriter create the most effective content for you? Knowing the core of your story. So just imagine you would be a copywriter's dream client if they came to you and you had these stories ready to share with them. You had your bio, that snapshot of who you are, what you do, how you do it, who you do it for, why you do it, all that great stuff. Your personal narrative, which shows more of your business journey. And then, of course, your brand and business story, and then your product and service story, and your audience and your customer story. You would be the dream client. Okay, maybe you never want to work with a copywriter. That's fine too. You will be able to use the content you create in this workshop to create your own copy. So enough talking about it. You will only be convinced when you experience it for yourself or read some of our reviews. Anyway, visit www.path2connections.com and register for the B.O.S.S Workshop, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop. If you have to get on our wait list, join the wait list, okay? There is a non-refundable deposit to get on the wait list, but that's because while you are waiting, you will still be working, my friend, working towards maximizing your boss experience once your cohort does start. So we're going to be nurturing you. We're going to be communicating with you. We're going to be sending you some tips and some resources so that, again, by the time your cohort is in play and you're inside workshopping those stories, you will be able to maximize it. You will be the star student, guaranteed. Anyway, www.path2connections.com. Boss Up with Boss, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop. I'll see you inside.